Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vitumulapula and this is my sewing corner. Today I'm making a scrunchie bow using a pattern that I found online. Now I know that I have done a similar project before, however the method to making a scrunchie is slightly different. If you want a free pattern download, do check out the link in the description box below. I'll be using an Ankara leftover fabric, some scissors for cutting paper and for fabric, measuring tape, elastic band, or you can use a store-bought hair tie. So right now I'm just cutting out the pattern on the template for both the bow and the band, which is the box that you see. So just to briefly explain what's going on the band part. Okay, so there's different sizes. You can see there's extra large, there's regular and a mini. So you just cut on the line that you want your size to be. And on that, I cut on the regular size. Next step now is to lay the pattern on the fabric. Now some of you I know that might have noticed that I laid my pattern on the right and wrong side of the fabric, but worry not, I did take note of that and I did fix it. Take your band and fold it over to the wrong side. So make sure that the outer part is the exposed side. Iron that flat, then take the raw edges and fold them in at 1/2 centimeter on each side. While your iron is still hot, you can take your bow as well, fold it in half, flat iron it, but we will see it later. Right now, let's deal with the band. Unfold your band, and now this time you will fold it on the short edge with the wrong sides together, and you'll make a straight stitch along that line at 1 centimeter allowance. At this point, your band should look like this. If it doesn't, go back and see where you went wrong. If it looks like this, you are on the right track, so let's continue. Take your elastic or hair tie and place it right in the middle or along the crease and close your band. Then you're going to pin right around just to ensure that your elastic stays in place, or whatever the case may be. Then you're going to top stitch right around, leaving no gap at all. Okay, so this is where we are, from a band to having a scrunchie. Okay, before I get excited, let's move on to finishing off the bow. I'd like to believe that at this point you've already done this part, but just a recap, you will fold your bow with wrong sides together and stitch along that line. I've just made an illustration there at the top just so you can have an idea of how you're going to stitch it, because you will leave a gap in the middle. So you will sew right along, leave a gap, sew the other side and leave a gap. Then when you're done with that, you will flip your bow over, making sure that your corners are sticking out nicely. Okay, I'm almost at the end, guys. One thing that's left for me though to do is to close that gap. So just tuck that gap in and flat iron it so it looks nice and crisp. Then top stitch that part. As you can see, I did do a top stitch, but it doesn't look so neat. But anyway, worry not, because you're gonna tie that part and it won't be visible. And there you have it, guys. You have your beautiful scrunchie bow. Hope you enjoy it. If this was your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome. If you want to see more of the DIY videos like this one, click on the subscribe button below right now. Share or like this video. I hope to see you soon. Bye.